Good morning, dear friends. This is a wake up call of all of you. So, as we all know that we are going to face many economical crises after the lockdown period, and this is not the time to be scared. So, be prepared for that. As there is common saying that only those people cry on the acidification or coagulation of the milk who do not know the art to make cheese out of coagulated milk. Similarly, if you recognize your skills, if you recognize your abilities, you can overpower the world afterwards. You will find numerous opportunities to work, earn, and settle in your life. So, first of all, definitely I'll speak on the education system as being an educator. So, I feel that education is the recession-free field. There is never a recession in the education field because there are students always who want to attain education, and the parents always want their children to be best educated. So in this field, we will not find any scarcity of the job opportunities or work opportunities. So first of all, you can train yourself as a personal tutor. Now, as after the lockdown or even in the lockdown also, people are demanding the personal online tutors. So they are they're already in the demand. You can prepare yourself for that also. So you can associate yourself with some of the agencies, some of the school or the college to provide education to the group of the students. Apart from that, there could be some test series making, or it may be the preparation of the test for the students. So there are wide opportunities. There are endless number of the opportunities you can avail in the education system. So prepare yourself and try to work on your skills and get your opportunities after the lockdown is over, even in that period also. Secondly, I will talk about the health system. Again, so if we talk about education, similarly, this field never has any scarcity of the job. So if I would definitely say that it is uncountable number of the fields, opportunities where one can work. Apart from being doctors, nurses, or the paramedical staff, so the people can settle themselves in the health industry without any type of the problem. So you can prepare yourself as a nutritionist, you can work as a dietitian, physiotherapist, occupational therapist. So apart from that, nowadays as the people have become very much health concerned, so they want some special trainer. So you can work as a fitness coach also, so you can work as a yoga expert also, and meditator also. So again, this will be uncountable number. You can adjust yourself anywhere. Now the third, I will go with the awareness industry. So this may be a subpart of the health industry, but this is somewhat different from that. Awareness is that to tell about the preventive measures, as to make the people aware about the problems. Instead of spending money on the treatment of the patients, it's always better that they should remain fit, they should remain well, so that they should not fall ill to spend their money on their treatment. So this is a awareness industry where the people can work again as some guide for the people, and as I guess the government too should spend some time, efforts to make this industry in the boom, because prevention is better than cure is a common saying, and this is the time to realize this quotation in the real form. First of all, there should be some of the campaigns who should go to the slum areas, to the different parts of the city, to make the people aware about the causes and the effects of the serious ailments which they are going to fall, as there is no other cure for the corona disaster. It is only the awareness. So we can take the example of that. If the people are aware about the reasons why they fall prey to corona, they can keep themselves at a distance from that. It may be social distances, it may be wearing mask, or it may be using the sanitizer. Even this could be in the high demand afterwards, so people will search for the sanitizers, mask, or other things to keep them away from the diseases. Similarly, there are a number of other diseases which are best treated by the preventive measures also. So as dengue was there, malaria was there, or many other problems which could be which prevented only by taking some of the preventive measures. So people should be made aware, and this industry is going to boom in the coming future. And the fourth, so the most overpowering and the most influential field is the digital marketing. So there is no end. So people can adjust themselves in anywhere in the digital marketing. So first of all, in the digital world, life is impossible nowadays without being digitally equipped. Even the people who were not using computers, or they were not using their smart phones, they are now learning this skill to be digitally equipped. So I mean to say that a person, if is digitally equipped, he can find numerous opportunities to earn money. He won't die of hunger. He won't find any scarcity of the money. So he can fit himself in the social marketing. He can go with the blog making, as now after the this recession, we can say, or this crisis which are going to occur after the lockdown. So all the big companies will be in the dire demand of the bloggers, website makers, and video editing, email writers, and WhatsApp marketing will be in the boom. So this is all associated with the digital marketing. So the people who are not at this time digitally equipped, they should get themselves skilled with this. In that case, they won't find any scarcity of the money, position, and earning in the future. So fifth, which I can feel that it could be the field of translators, as the word has already been digitally word, as it was a common thing earlier that the word has been turned into a global village. Now the word has been turned into the digital world. So everything is to be done digitally. There are no barriers of the countries. There's no barriers of any type of the regions to work, as the people are doing their businesses, trade in the different territories, different countries, different parts of the world. And the world is of the diversity, so there's a different type of the languages spoken in the different countries. And if someone wants to be successful in that particular country, if I talk about China, so in China, so it is only Chinese that is spoken. So and then it is African countries, because apart from the English speaking country, where some of the English speaker can find their place easily, and they don't find any problem to work successfully. But there are some of the countries where translators are highly required. So now in this time, after the quarantine period or after a lockdown period, so the translators are going to be highly demanded. This field, I guess, can find its numerous opportunities for the people to work in this field. So then it is a software. This will be the sixth field, software. This is again endless, because software is required everywhere, as we are again and again talking about the digital world. And every hospital, school, in the school the smart classes are there, and the softwares are designed there to teach the students with the smart classes. And now as the online classes will be there, so softwares are required, as the people have already started working on the Zoom, Google and Facebook. So this time, these soft skills are highly required to provide the education. Even many of the companies have started having their meetings online, which is only be possible with special type of the techniques and the software. So the for software designers, the for software web designers, and the people who are technically, or the software technicians, they are going to be highly demanded in the coming era. So this will be a good news for all these people. They can find their best opportunities to work, settle, and to be successful. And the last seventh one, it is to home deliveries. So the people now have become so much scared of corona, and they often order the products to come to their doorsteps. They don't want to go to the markets, as the risk of corona is still very high. And once the people get in the habit of, it's a easy habit, or we can say that being in the comfortable zone, you can get your desired products at your doorstep. No need to go into the hustle bustle of or the gathering or the crowd of the people, and you can easily get everything very effortlessly and comfortably at your in your home, and you can utilize that. And people have developed this habit, and it is going to be continued in the future also. And the home delivery, even maybe it may be the regional, otherwise international brands like Flipkart, Amazon, they are already providing the products to the people at their doorsteps. Big Bazaar, the best price, so they have already started with this. But now this local retailers, they too are going to start with the home deliveries. And in that case, the people who want to work at a small level, or the small scale industries, they too will find their places there. So people do not get scared of losing your jobs, but it is only to change your style, or change your skills. So you should just try to find out your skills or your abilities to work in the different field. So the high opportunities are still waiting for you. Be prepared for that. And it is not the time to be scared, it is the time to be prepared. So be in touch and learn new skills, and to become well equipped with the new technology. And the word is the glamorous word, I can say, the word to make you successful is waiting for you. So just wait for that. Thank you for listening to this video, and will be soon there.